feet, wet stone, sharp signs dripping on Orange Street. Shirt stuck to my skin, cold drops dancing on my cheeks. Umbrellas like small islands, everyone running for a door. But I just let the sky say whatever it came here for. I was walking in the rain when I met her. Every raindrop slowed down time. Water on her lashes like a letter, writing her name across my mind. I was walking in the rain when I met her. Didn't feel the chill again. Just a little smile, her hand, her sweater, and the soft, soft sound of two hearts in the rain. Oh yeah. Oh. She said you got no coat, laughing, holding out her sleeve. Steam rose from the gutter like the street itself could breathe. We shared the same old doorway, plastic bag above our head. Her perfume, rain and mango, all the words I left unsaid. I was walking in the rain when I met her. Every raindrop slowed down time. Water on her lashes like a letter, writing her name across my mind. I was walking in the rain when I met her. Didn't feel the chill again. Just a little smile, her hand, her sweater, and the soft, soft sound of two hearts in the rain. Whoa. Bus pass, big splash, she pulled me closer to her side. Thunder rolling somewhere far, like a drum deep inside. She asked my name so softly,